Updating your legal name on Vagrant is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Access your Vagrant account. Log into your Vagrant account using your current credentials. Navigate to the account settings or profile section where personal information is stored. Step 2. Locate name change option. Within the account settings, look for the option to edit or update your personal information. This is typically labeled as Edit Profile or Update Personal Information. Step 3. Enter your new legal name. Once you find the name change option, enter your new legal name in the designated fields. Make sure to double check for any spelling errors to avoid issues later. Step 4. Provide supporting documentation. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name and uploading any required documents, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update, so keep an eye on your inbox. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently update your legal name on Vagrant. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.